You were bought at a price, therefore honor God with your bodies. 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verses 20. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is a very easy but delicious recipe. We are making steamed fish. This is very popular among the people who live in the coastal part of Ghana, especially the Ghans, and it is called Aklor. And please, you need to try this because it's so rich, very delicious, and very luxurious way to enjoy your fish. I have the listed ingredients down below in the description box, so kindly check it out. I am using tilapia fish, which has been very nicely cleaned and washed. Please use any type of fish you prefer. And to season this, I am going to go ahead and one medium-sized leek. You can use spring onions if you do not have leek. And I'm also going to add one medium-sized yellow onions. Fish can be very blunt, so you need to work with good ingredients to just revive your taste and get a best out of it. Okay, so I'm going to cut them into minimum size and also add half thumb size of ginger, and I'm going to add about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I love me some garlic in this. And to that I'll add 1 green habaneros, and I'm going to give everything a blend. I'll add a bit of water and give everything a blend, and not to forget about basil leaves. It goes a long way. This recipe, I'm going to pour over my fish and add extra amazing spices to this. I'll add all-purpose seasoning, some salt, and some stock fish as well. And I'm going to go ahead and give everything a blend. And to that, I'll add 1 habanero pepper, half onion, and dried bay leaves, and I'll go ahead and steam this on a very low heat. And I'm going to make a bit of grinded pepper to go with this. So I'm going to go ahead and toast my tomatoes in my pan for about 2 minutes on each side. It is completely optional if you do not want to have grinded pepper with this, okay, because you can definitely enjoy the sauce on its own. So the onions that I added to the fish is very nice and very soft. Now I'm going to go ahead and grind it in my asanka. If you do not have asanka, go ahead and use the pulse button. Using your blender, it will be totally fine. I also went ahead to add the habanero pepper, and now I'm adding my nicely grilled or pan-seared tomatoes. These are so lovely. Please, if you love grinding pepper, do it this way and you're going to experience a whole new level of goodness. My goodness, it's so delicious. Been steaming this fish for the last 15 minutes and it's nicely steamed now, and boy oh boy, the stock that came with it is so good. I scooped a little and added to the grinded pepper, added some salt, and boy oh boy, it is so deliciously done. You need to try making your pepper this way, especially your fish, and you're going to enjoy it. We do not always have to grill our fish or fry them to enjoy it. Please try steaming your fish and you are going to be a believer. Really quick and very easy, and health-wise very healthy. You have all your nutrients being retained in this meal, so you really need to go for it. Okay, the classical side to this meal right here is kinky, gakinky to be precise. It is so delicious, but you can definitely pair this with some bangkung, some eba. And for the rice lovers, why not? You can definitely do your best by pairing it with your white rice. It will go so well. So there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe and you're going to give it a try. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.